Let's do a quick tool tour. Dang, that's a weird way to say it. Tool tour. Say that like 5 times faster. Tool tour. Let's do a quick tool tour in my garage because some of you guys might be curious what I use in my garage. And I use a bunch of Sunex stuff, but not only Sunex, but most of the stuff that I use is Sunex. So I got this little tool chair thing with chrome wheels, and it's got a tray on the bottom and it goes up and down. It's currently got some aero parts on there. Then I got 2 of these regular ones. Okay, this from Sunex as well. Then I got these magnetic trays. These are awesome. So you're working on your car and you don't want anything to fall and that 10mm to migrate. Use these. They got different shapes. Oh, you might be curious why I have the T37s on here. It's actually for the AZ1. I gotta thank my friend Alan for letting me use this so I can match it on my car. Do a quick test fit. But anyways, this is one toolbox and it's got all my wrenches. Big boy, look at that, 32 mil for like, I don't know, giant suspension stuff. And then down here, more specialty stuff. What's this, crow's foot? And I got the small bendy with a ratcheting. This is actually Pittsburgh. Here's some Sunex stuff right here. Sunex. I'm missing one right here because it's actually in that little tray that I just showed you. S wrenches, dude, these are so useful for tight ass spots like turbo manifolds and stuff. Trust me. If you can't get to it with like a regular one, get one of these. They're useful. And I got a bunch of these like bendy ones too. Look at that. Woo, flexi ratcheting, Pittsburgh. So I got a bunch of like mix, right? And then these are, what are these? Did I say these are crow's foot? I totally forgot what I think these are like flare wrench. And then this is the crow's foot stuff. I could be wrong. I'm not really a tool guy. I just use what I use. And then this is like my SAE stuff. Again, if I'm naming these things wrong, you guys can correct me. I'm not a tool guy. I just use tools. All right, I'm just a car guy. All right, there you go. So little wrench sets from Pittsburgh. So these are like the offset ones. So if you need to reach in and do weird things. Then all these T-handles for you motorcycle guys, these are pretty cool. See that? I rarely use these nowadays, but I have them. More S wrenches right here. These are just like SAE backups and metric backups. Down here, I got a crap ton of Sunex stuff. So like this, sometimes I forget what I have because I have so much, and that's just kind of part of being a car guy. You almost had to collect everything. One of my favorite things in the world are these torque adapters. So if you can't get your torque wrench into like an area, you can use this and then put your torque wrench here, and then you can torque things. And I know some of you guys are gonna say, well, that's gonna change the torque value. No problem. They give you a little thing right here to show the calculations. See? Pretty cool. And yes, my snap-on torque wrench already does it automatically if I input the value. So that's one. More specialty stuff here, like look at this. Amazon special. All right. Hard to show you this stuff with one hand, but I try. Ooh, look at that. Just the hex set, just in case you have like a, I don't know, weird hex size that needs like a gigantor. Got that. And then more of these guys are, these are just like socket sets and more specialty tools. Look at that. More Sunex stuff, more Sunex stuff. This is my polisher from Meguiar's. I think this is made by Porter Cable actually, see? And then more of these things. I got so many specialty things, like I say, like sometimes I forget. Look at that. Big boy impact hexes, just in case you need like remove subframes or something. Usually on like Euro cars. All right, so that's this toolbox. This toolbox, just a bunch of like specialty stuff. And then this is my go-to every day. So this is actually by Husky, and this is my usual like daily stuff like that I usually. You might see things missing because it's in that tool tray again. My screwdrivers here, these are coated sockets for lug nuts. Pretty cool, huh? It's like Delrin. And then more specialty stuff here. I think this is by Snap-on. Look at this. This is stainless steel? It's not stainless steel, it's just chrome. But it's a socket for your spark plugs. Deep reach, that's what she said. And then check this out. More impact stuff. More of those. These are actually by Sunex. And these are like the Torx with a security thing in the center. So yeah, this is like my go-to box that I use daily. All right, more specialty stuff here. It's gonna be a long video, by the way. It's my rib nut setter. This is the, gosh, I totally forgot. Pop rivets, Jeebus. This is the valve lash tool thing for the Hondas. Pipe cutter, pipe bender, oil thing remover, brake pad spreader, scraper, snap-on T-handles. These are just like hex wrenches and like tiny little screwdrivers I keep here. See that? So yeah, that's what this is. And then down here are my bonkers. So I got a big bonker, dead blow bonker, I guess wood framing bonker, a baby bonker, a dead blow bonker from Snap-on. A friend gave me this. This one's awesome. I love it. It's one of my favorites. And then over here, got my files, my feet also, and big sockets, eye protection, so you don't use your safety squint, though I think Asians have a natural safety squint. Then I got my sander and more torque stuff down there. And then over here, this is where I put all my torque wrenches. So I'll open this guy up. Haha, so I got my chargers, torque wrenches, like different levels of torque wrenches here. So I got my Snap-on 3/8, Snap-on 1/2 inch. It's all my sockets for the wheels. This is for the Genesis. And then what else? Yeah, I mean, this is like the power brick right here, so you can charge everything. This again is the juice box, this guy right here, by Sunex. Pretty cool, huh? And then over here I got my other wrenches that I use. So like, I love these, the Icon Flexi wrenches. So cheap, like 200 bucks, but it's as good as, like, I would say Snap-on or Matco. And then I got these guys right here, regular Sunex, like overflow. I got some bendy ratchets, more ratchets, long ratchets, big ratchets. And I'm off frame here, sorry. These are pretty useful. I'm not sure if you guys have seen these. These are like little hand, I guess, ratchet. I'm missing some. Where are they? Oh, they've migrated. These guys, I got different sizes too. So you got your 1/2, you got your 1/4. See that? You got your 3/8. Isn't that useful? I know I should probably put these here because when I'm looking for tools, I end up not using them because I lose them and they're just in the back. And then power tools right here. So I got my 3/8, 1/4, 3/8, 1/4, sander, and then another one that's a little driver, and then gloves by AFE Power. Isn't that cool? Black and red. And then what else is here? Oh, these are just like regular stuff, like pipe wrench, random stuff. I know, I should be able to pull all this out by my stupid motorcycles right here. And then these are like my, I need to install trays. So all these trays right here, like all this stuff I need to install. Little diffuser for the front splitter, G70 plate, all sorts of parts right here. There's so many parts here that I still need to install, including down here. So I got like a camber gauge right here, Miata MX-5 like stock book. So yeah, this is my tool area. I guess I totally forgot to mention the rolling table by Sunex. Super useful if you need to move stuff around and put things on here, and it's got like a pull out little drawer for cool stuff. And then that's my water filter by Adams.